Good this way. All right, I'm going to set up for my circling approach turn. So I've got my bank. I've got my rudder coming in, aft stick. Rudder coming in, aft stick. Oh no, we're going to crash. I'll save the day. I'll save the day. Neil, don't worry. Hang on. Uh-oh, this doesn't look right. Jeez, this looks bad. Look up, Neil. Look straight up. Woohoo! Yep. All right. There we go. Nice gentle climb. Is your vision diminished at all during the pull out there?
No, that was good.
Not at all? Okay.
No.
Good for you. All right. So that's the inverted spin. So
yep.
we hold full forward stick to stall from negative angle of attack. Full rudder, I chose right rudder. And so in this case, it's power to idle, ailerons neutral. Go with the opposite rudder, and then the stick came aft. Okay?
Yep.
So, would you like to try one?
One's good enough for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't bring sand to the beach.
All right.
Understand. All right, so what would you like to do now?
Okay, I'd like just to do the simple stuff. Maybe a roll.
Sure.
And then we'll do Cuban 8.
All right, we got 25 minutes, so you can do whatever you want.
And a hammerhead.
All right, so you know what? You have control.
I have control.
All I ask is you tell me what you're doing. If this heading's good for now, I'll just tell you if we need to turn around for the area. Okay?
All right.
All right.
Okay, first thing is a roll.
Okay.
So I'll just pitch up a bit.
Yep.
Left and right.
Yep.
Okay, we're clear.
Yep.
So just pitched up a bit.
Okay.
And left roll.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Now remember, if you don't do the push, it's a loaded roll. If you remember to do the push first, then it will roll a little easier.
Okay. Let me do it one more time.
Okay.
Okay, clear left and right.
I'm ready.
Pull up a little bit.
Okay.
Roll. Push. Back again.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's turn 90 degrees to the left, and that'll give us more room. Okay.
This next one, I'd like to do the Cuban 8.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to push down to accelerate.
Yep. 169.
Come over.
Yep.
And 3/4 the way up. Do a roll.
Absolutely.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, ready.
170. And we go up.
All right. It's about 2.5, 2.8 Gs.
Left and right.
Okay.
3/4 of a way. Push down. And turn. Accelerate.
Okay.
And climb. Okay.
All right.
And I'm ahead.
Okay.
And just clear and look for traffic.
Fair enough.
Okay, area looks clear. Okay, traffic ahead.
So there's traffic ahead?
Yeah, traffic ahead. I'll just turn so you can see it. 10 o'clock low. Just turn him a minute ago.
Okay.
Turn back right.
I can't see him. He must be under the wing.
Can't see him now.
I don't see him.
Okay. Hey.
Ready when you are.
Okay. Just point down. down to get some speed.
Okay.
170 knots.
All right.
170.
Okay.
Fine. Over the shoulder. Up. Upright. Left rudder. Power back.
Oh, you can just leave the power in.
No power.
Okay.
And gently.
Why don't you do another one?
Okay. We just look for that traffic. There a minute ago.
Traffic.
Okay, clear to the left.
Yeah.
Okay, pushing down to accelerate.
Okay.
Looking for 170 knots.
All right.
And up.
That's good.
Rudder. Center.
Yep, I like that one better.
And gradually pull up.
Okay.
Oh, that's fun. Okay, so we did a roll, we did a Cubanate.
How about a loop?
Loop. Loop. Oh, okay.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay. Let's look for clear.
Okay.
No traffic. Accelerating downward.
All right.
Looking for 170. Up.
Okay.
2 Gs.
All right, let's right to 3 Gs. That's
3
good.
Gs.
Yep. Nice wings
above.
Wings level, that's good.
Speed is good.
Okay. I have control for a
Good
second.
control.
We're coming up on our boundary, so what we're going to do is we're going to do an Immelman.
Go.
So we're doing half of a loop. Followed by a roll.
Right.
So there we go. Now we change the direction and
Yeah.
we're up high. You have control.
I have control.
Okay, we got about 20 more minutes. So whatever you'd like to do, knock yourself out.
Okay. Okay, I'd just like to do an inverted again.
Sure. Go for it.
Another inverted, a roll.
Okay.
Okay, so pull up a little bit
Yeah, about 20 degrees nose high.
and roll.
Start your push. No. Start your push. First push. Now roll. Now roll. All right, see how it rolls around a point now?
Yeah.
That way you're not doing a loaded roll.
Right.
Okay?
Good. Try that one more time.
Sure. Go for it.
Up a little bit. Push a little bit.
Yep.
Start the roll.
Okay? All right, why don't you try an Immelman?
Say again.
You try the Immelman. Start the nose up. I'll talk you through this.
Which one?
The Immelman, the one where we turn direction. Pull the
Okay.
nose up, half a loop. Go ahead, pull the nose up. Okay. All right, get ready. Now push and roll left. There you go, see?
Yeah. Really. Very
else would you like?
Traffic?
What's that? Oh, yeah, that's our teammate. He's on his way back.
Okay. Just fly around a little bit.
Traffic low.
Traffic
right?
low.
Yep.
Yeah.
No factor. He'll never get up here.
Fly around a little bit.
Sure, knock yourself out.
Yeah, that's it.
Hey, Guard Borneo, I'm going to move up into center if you don't mind, or did you want to come down?
Oh, I'll just stay up here, Borneo. You can have the whole center.
Okay.
Just want to do an overbank. Get myself out of that situation. Is that okay?
Which one? The overbank?
An overbank, yeah.
Okay. You want me to fly you into it and say recover?
Yeah.
Okay, I have control. All right, I'll give you a couple of these.
Go.
All right, recover.
Okay. Push, power, rudder.
Okay, that was the nose high.
Yeah.
All right, I have control.
You have control.
Recover.
Okay. Push, power, rudder, turn.
I have control.
You have control.
Okay, on that one, we were nose low, right?
Yeah.
So we would have wanted to pull the power to idle, correct?
Yeah, we did, yeah.
And then we would have liked to roll the aircraft. I'm going to give you the same. I'm going to show you the same one. It was right like this. Okay. So you went like this.
Yeah.
You just pulled straight ahead. Watch our airspeed.
Yeah.
Look at the altitude loss. Look at the airspeed gain. Okay.
Yeah.
So what we would have liked to have done is the following. Okay, recover. Push, power to idle, rudder, roll, climb.
Right.
See how much safer that is?
Yep.
Okay. Recover.
Push, power, roll, climb.
Okay? All right, and if you can, you want to go the shortest direction on the roll instead of the long direction, okay?
Yeah.
Would you like another one?
Sure.
No?
Sure. Go ahead.
Oh, go ahead. Got it. All right, I have control. Recover.
Push, power, rudder, roll.
Gotta go this way. See how quick that was?
Yeah.
Yeah, you always want to roll in the shortest direction if possible. Now, once you get started, don't stop and reverse, but, you know, if you can, figure out which way is the shortest direction.
Yeah. How much time we have left?
We have about 12 minutes, 10
Okay.
minutes. Although we need to turn around and head the other way.
Okay. That's it for me today.
You're all done?
I'm good.
Okay, let me get the ATIS real quick.
And Alpha. Use 120.6 for tower frequency. Use caution, multiple cranes in the vicinity of the airport.
Let's just start a right turn.
Advise ground control direction of departure. Advise an initial contact. You have Bravo. Gateway tower information, Bravo, time 2047 Zulu, wind 120 at 4. The weather's better than 5,000 at 5. Temperature 14, dew point 1, altimeter 3000. Runways 30 in use. Expect visual approach, runway 30 left. NOTAMs and advisories. Taxiway Victor closed between Whiskey and Alpha. Use 120.6 for...
Morning is RTD from South and Center.
Legion 162, Gateway Tower, runway 30 left, full length, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 30 left, full
Keep
length,
coming to the right. You see the runways off the right side?
Okay, yeah, see it.
Go ahead and keep heading that way.
Afternoon Tower, upset 1, a mile north of Rittenhouse, 4500, Bravo full stop.
Upset 1, Gateway Tower, roger. Make a left turn, proceed southwestbound, square your base to the final, and then continue inbound on that base entry, report 5 mile final, runway 30 left.
Upset 1, we'll go.
Tower upset 8, information Bravo descending through 7500. We're about 12 miles on extended center line, full stop.
Upset 8, roger. I don't have my filter set that high. Give me a call again when you're below 5,000.
Upset 8, no problem.
Legion 162, traffic departure in 123
line up with the left.
pattern. There's multiple aircraft
Yeah, just go for the left.
Touch and go pattern. Make the right turn after the departure in, runway 30 left, full length, cliff takeoff.
Cliff takeoff 30 left, we'll start the turn after the departure and the Legion's 162, thanks.
Helicopter 18 November, southbound there, and exchange proof.
Exchange proof, good day, helicopter 18 November.
Tower upset 8, descending below 5, about 8 miles, 9 miles on final now.
Upset 8, roger. Make straight in, runway 30 left.
Straight in 30 left, upset 8. And how do you hear this transmitter?
Upset 8, yeah, a lot of static in the background.
Thanks for the update, appreciate it.
Upset 1, Conchway Terminus departing MD-80, runway 30 left, cleared to land, long land approved at pilot's discretion.
Clear land long, 30 left, upset 1.
705 Alpha Tango, turn left at Kilo, hold short, runway 30 left.
Left Kilo, hold short 30 left, 5 Alpha Tango. Tower 90 Charlie on the go, taxiway Charlie. Taxiway Alpha.
Helicopter 90 Charlie, taxiway Alpha, cleared for the option.
Taxiway Alpha, clear for option, helicopter 90 Charlie.
Legion 162, contact departure.
Good day, Legion 162.
Upset 8, you're number 2, following an extra 300, 12 o'clock, 3 miles.
Upset 8, number 2. So did you enjoy it?
Very much.
Good.
helicopters operating left to runway approach in.
Upset 1 ticket.
I hope you're meeting with the CAE as well.
Number 2 following extra 300, 3-mile final. Spacing's good. Caution for helicopters operating left to runway at the approach in. Runway 30 left, cleared to land. Long landing approved.
Upset 8, clear to land, 30 left, long landing approved, and I copy the rest of it. All right. Yeah, I hope that works out well for you.
Thank you.
Tango, without delay, across runway 30 left to make the right turn to Victor and contact ground traffic and an extra 300 on a short final. He's kind of high.
30 left, cross for 5 Alpha Tango to Victor.
So 5 Alpha, thanks for help. Contact ground.
Contact ground, 5 Alpha Tango.
So gas, undercarriage mixture, prop, boost pump, gums check complete, clear to land, 30 left, long landing.
Tower Su 596 on the GPS 30 left.
Su 596, Heavy Tower, roger, continue. Upset 1, turn left hotel, contact ground 1 off.
Jet 1, good day.
Okay. Cessna 9379 out of Foxtrot, cross runway 30 center, hold short runway 30 left.
Cross 30 center, hold short 30 left, 679 Foxtrot.
All right, I have control.
You have control.
There we go. Safe and sound.
Cross runway 30 left, make a right turn to Victor and contact ground 1 off.
Contact. Cross 30 left at Victor, contact ground 1 off, 79 Foxtrot.
Upset 8, turn left hotel, contact ground 1 off.
Upset 8, off at hotel and to ground. Thank you.
You're welcome. Cessna 4 Alpha Victor, November.
30 left via Alpha Bravo 4 Bravo November, 7 Papa Tango.
Ground upset 8, clearing at hotel for parking.
Upset 8, Gateway ground, Seminole to your right's giving way. Taxi via Whiskey parking.
Upset 8, Seminole holding for us, taxi parking via Whiskey. I see a Seminole to our left. Oh, okay, there he is.
Request taxi north ramp.
379 Foxtrot, Gateway ground, taxi via Bravo, Bravo 2 Yankee to parking. No delay on the taxi through the hotel intersection, please.
All right, how about a thumbs up over the right side? Woo-hoo, we survived again.